based, and they're also in already in a backup plan. They have two resources. So nothing can do. There is 0% option.
Leave it. Leave it
Yeah,
here. Let's start our activity first,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, bro.
So now from here, I think I have shared my screen,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah,
You are able to see, right?
yes, yes, bro. Oh no,
Yes. You are
I'm
not
seeing your
there.
camera.
Okay, just let me enter the screen. Right. Now it's
Yeah,
good.
now it's good.
Okay. So let's minimize this first.
Hmm.
How can we can minimize this one, the video and all?
Ah, yeah, bro.
No, this one we can. It is, let's leave it, whatever it is, na.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to go with the server. Nai, right? I think you're
Yes,
able
yes,
to
bro.
see that.
Yeah.
So coming to the point, open SSMS and then. So do you have questions regarding system databases, HADR, server
No.
objects?
Server objects.
We have touched these three, na, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yesterday we have touched this.
Yeah. So we have touched the databases, right?
Mm-hmm. Just 2 points only. We have discussed about distribution database.
Yeah, that
So
is a
yeah,
sixth
yeah,
database, system database, right?
yeah.
Distribution databases.
Distribution database and system
Mhm.
database. So exactly what is the use
Distribution.
yeah.
So distribution is just monitoring the replication, nothing else. It is
Okay,
keeping log of monitoring replication. When we configure replication, we
okay,
have to keep eye on the distribution databases.
okay, okay.
We can get logs from there. We can see where it is pull or push subscriptions, how they are transferring the articles, right? Each and
Mm-hmm.
every logs there, right? So we
Yeah.
can see that practically. Let's now we see this objects replication here, always management, right?
Yeah.
So in management part, we see later when we implement all these things, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
management means we have a maintenance activities, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have for maintenance plan, we can create multiple maintenance plan for the objects, right?
Mm-hmm.
For monitoring purpose, sub HADR, for backup, whatever we have, that app performance tuning, the basic performance tuning, we can schedule from here, right?
Yeah.
Then we have extended events, that is also part of tool like performance tuning. We can monitor the logs and all here, right?
Okay.
And we see the logs. It is same like profiler. Basically we have a tool like profiler. See
Profiler.
here,
Yeah. Mm.
pool profiler and DTA, data stack tuning advisor, right?
Yeah.
It's also a tool basically that will help in the tuning the queries, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we see these tools, use of this tool in query tuning part, right? We
Yeah.
are not going to touch here.
Okay.
And the maintenance part here, the simple, we are just hitting here the maintenance part, just we can see the wizard basically. Okay, there are two things: maintain new maintenance plan or wizard. The two way we can go with the creating a maintenance plan, right? We are going
Mm-hmm.
for choosing this one. See the error, why it is saying that? Because we required agent for maintenance activity, because we are going to schedule any activity that is gone on SQL server agent, and now it is disabled, right?
Mm.
See here, this is disabled. Let me click, show you here. See, this is a disabled mode, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So when we
Agent
go
type.
for, yeah, when we go for any activities for maintenance, now it will ask that your agent should
Agent
be in
is. Mm.
running mode, or we have to just check here SP configure. You
Mm.
can enable this and just start. Let's go one by one first. So it is just, see, in error we are, it is just saying what we have to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are just seeing the error cross mark. This is an error, and we are moving Google and anywhere calling some guys that I'm getting this error, right? Just we
Yeah.
have to see this error first and we have to read it out. What we have to need to do here, right? To resolve these issues. It is
Mm-hmm.
just saying system admin enable can agent XP using that SP configure only. So we can
Okay.
go from SP and configure, or we can just double click here. Also we can do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you click and double click here or enable that, now you can enable this one, right? So
Okay.
just see here first as command line, okay? In the market, if you are using more command, you are very expert DBA basically. If you are not using command, you are not a DBA basically. People think like that.
Yeah.
Oracle DBA always use command.
Okay.
They are not using OEM or something different tool or a SQL developer. They
Mm-hmm.
are going for command line because what is writing, no one can know that this is the right one or a wrong one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So basically, we see here SP configure, right? Simple.
Okay.
Ta-ta-ta, ta-ta. See. So we have already checked that one. It is saying that about agent XP, right?
Mm.
This is zero means the configuration or run value is zero means this is not enable, means
Okay. One
disable.
means enable. Yeah.
Yes, the run value and the configure value should be one, right?
Okay.
So we
Okay.
can enable from here also. Just let's a command here, just a briefing here, but we can see from the GUI side also.
Okay.
And this is a command, right? But
Yeah.
let's
Okay.
see, I'm just starting from here, nothing else. See, it is asking that. Okay, it's done. Let's
Yeah.
refresh.
Yeah.
It is
Done.
green, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Now it
So
is.
whatever you see, this is a 0 0, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just showing this is only one, right? The value will be
Yeah.
changed.
Yes. Agent XP 1 1. Yeah.
So means if you are going from here or if you are going from here, that is not an issue.
Mm.
You are at the end you are doing your activity, right?
Yes. Yes. It's,
So we have done this. So now we are getting error here, right? For the maintenance plan.
mm.
Oh, something network is so I'm not able to right click here. Ta-da-da. We can minimize this.
Server side.
Yeah, I think so. Let me no, not happening. Ta 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 ta. That is a problem basically.
Mhm.
Let me. I'm not able to set up my local, na. That I have to set up a local basically for server and all something like that. So that will
Yeah.
help in training basically. So see, okay. So now,
New
uh,
maintenance plan.
yes, now we get that this error. We are not getting this error, right? Because it
Yeah.
is already enabled, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So we can name the maintenance plan. This is a demo. This is a maintenance plan underscore demo. Always used to write a meaningful name so we can understand for what purpose we are creating this, right?
Mm.
Do not use test like that, okay? Because this
Okay.
is a very bad practice in database. So
Okay.
here we have opened this window and named that maintenance plan demo. So the
Mm.
sub plan here,
Okay.
description, schedule, we can do that, run as. We can change
Mm.
run as also. We have to change the name also, which account we need to run this one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
On demand means you can hit the manually job and you can execute that one, right? This is on demand. If
Mm-hmm.
you go for schedule, it will run as per schedule, right? Here's a
Okay.
schedule. This is a recurring or one time or as per CPU ideal time, right? You can
Mm-hmm.
set as the detail. If CPU is 50%, more than 50%, job will not execute. If you're doing
Okay.
any performance tuning maintenance plan, right? Because this is a
Okay.
best practice. If there is a 50%, more than 50 stipulation on the system, how can you execute the alter
Queries.
commands and
Yeah.
use IO intensive queries, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have to think about that where and how to plan that any maintenance plan on a production database, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is leave it. We are not going to schedule it. Just I'm showing here.
Yeah.
Now I'm just open here regarding this tool. Basically, see, you will see this tool. No, need to click here. So when you click on this maintenance plan,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
You this tool is enabled basically, and you get these options here, right? So we have to know about these options. Pointer, just a cursor only, right? Nothing to know about this. Backup task, you can perform all the backup activities from here. You can create drag and drop facilities here, like SSIS, right? Just you can drag and drop and you can edit that one, right? Hello, I'm audible. What happened? Stuck, I think. Yeah, bro. You lost the connection, right? So you can reschedule this at I think after 10 p.m. right? If this is yeah, basically you are this is 8:25 and power is cut, right? Every time is cutting power, load setting there. Let's connect at 10 p.m. on the same we can say that right?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.